Okay, crochet tops are back and I'm definitely here for it. एक wide basic crop shirt I think everyone deserves this summer. Literally a Zara dupe and I'm obsessed. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya and we are back with another video. आज का जो video है, it's going to be a summer top haul from Amazon. Now summers are almost here and I thought let's share some trendy options because there are so many new trends in the market and I found like really good pieces, that too at very affordable prices. I think everything that I'm going to show you guys in this haul is under rupees 799, so I'm very excited to show you guys what all I have today. And before I move ahead, let me tell you कि सारे products Amazon से हैं. Amazon पे उनकी brand sale color splash is also live, which is live till the 9th of March. So make sure करो कि आप उसमें shop करो and avail them like at discounted prices. मैं जो भी items दिखाऊंगी मैं सब कुछ नीचे description box में mention कर दूंगी, comments में भी pin कर दूंगी, so वो जरूर से check कर लेना. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get into it. Okay, first up, I got this very cute plaid top. Now, this plaid gingham print is like all over my Pinterest, and I knew I had to buy something in this print, so I got this one by Max. And it's just so comfy and cute and like very summer coded because it has like white and this plaid pattern, just हम gingham print भी बोलते हैं, and this little knot at the center. And the fitting of this one is actually quite nice, so I really enjoyed wearing this. Now I'm gonna attach a video over here so you can see how it looks when I wore it, and I personally love wearing this. I feel these are the kind of pieces that are there if in your wardrobe, so you don't need to think twice यार क्या पहनूं कैसे पहनूं, because these are very very easy going outfits. तो आपने बस एक jeans के साथ भी pair up कर लिया, so you're good to go. So this is the first top that I've got and I feel this is just such a perfect everyday top. So I love this. The material is also cotton, so again for summers it's very very comfortable. And yeah, this is how it looks on me. I feel it's quite perfect, and this is the first item that I've got. Okay, next item, which also happens to be my favorite item from this haul, is this top that I'm wearing right now. Now this is such a trendy item, this ruche detailing all over a top. I have seen similar pieces in Zara, but they are like so expensive, and this one is like super affordable. This is from a homegrown brand on Amazon. If I'm not wrong, the brand name was Side Bomb, and this was under rupees 500. It was for like 449 or something, and oh my god, it fits me like a glove. The color is very color of the season because mocha mousse is officially the color of the season, so this is that color, and I love how it fits me. I mean, just look at it. It fits like a glove. It's super soft material wise. It's literally Zara H&M ka dupe, but literally 1/3 of the price. So I love wearing this. It had a lot more colors also. It had like this black, white, pink, purple, but I wanted like the color of the season, so I went ahead with brown. But I'm pretty sure कि मैं इसमें और colors भी stock up करने वाली हूँ. So this has to be my favorite item from today's haul. It's perfect for outgoing events. It's perfect for like parties. It's perfect for like a date night. Even अगर आपका birthday आ रहा है, if you just pair it with like a nice satin skirt or a good flare jeans, it will look so nice, and like pointy heels. So I love this item, and this is the next item I got. Personally, this is how it looks on me in person when I'm wearing it, and I'm obsessed with the fit. I'm obsessed with the color. Everything about this top is like top notch. Okay, next up, I got another top from Max. Now, crochet is back in the trend, and I am a crochet lover. I love crochet. If you've seen my hauls previously, you guys know I wear a lot of crochet. So I got this one by Max. I never knew that like brands are also doing crochet now, because crochet हमेशा मैं homegrown brands पे देखती थी, या फिर I used to thrift them. But when I saw this piece from Max, I was like, this is such a perfect vacation piece. मतलब अगर मुझे बीच वेकेशन पे जाना है, अगर मुझे किसी बीची कूल काम प्लेस पे जाना है, this is what I want to wear. And this is like a tube top button like crochet, and this also has this side में ruche detailing. I'm telling you guys, this ruche thing is like all over Instagram, all over your Pinterest, so you have to invest in one of these. Now इसकी सबसे अच्छी बात ये है, this is like super stretchable, and although ये crochet है तो it will be like सीएबल, मतलब सी थ्रू होगा थोड़ा, बट इन्होंने बस सेक्शन में क्या करा है, इन्होंने बस सेक्शन में ना कवरिंग दे रखी है अंदर नीचे क्लॉथ की, so it won't be see through in that sense. You can wear it very easily. Also being a tube top, because this is a crochet tube top, right? So tube tops के साथ एक बहुत बड़ा दिक्कत ये होता है कि वो नीचे स्लिप होते रहते हैं, बट इन्होंने यहाँ पे ये प्लास्टिक या फिर सिलिकॉन जिसे हम कहते हैं, तो ये सिलिकॉन की जो आउटलाइनिंग दे रखी है, इससे ये मेक श्योर करेगा कि आपका जो ट्यूब है वो नीचे स्लिप ना हो, तो आप बार बार ऐसे ना करते रहो. So I love this one. This is how it looks on me in person, and I am obsessed with the fit. It's giving me very beach girl vibes, and I can't literally wait to go on a beach vacation. I love beaches, I love Croatia. So this has to be that perfect beachy Croatia top. And I'm obsessed with the fit. And yeah, this is how it looks. It also had one more color. If I'm not wrong, they also had a white in this one, but I just thought that a black one is like a little more appropriate because you can pair this with a lot of skirts and trousers as well. अगर आप बीच में नहीं भी जा रहे हो तो so yeah, that's the next item that I got. Okay, next up, I got a mesh top from Soul Store. Now this was actually on sale, which is the reason why I got it because originally 1000 का था, but मुझे कुछ sale पे I think 400 के around मिला था. And I love the print of this one. Mesh है तो इसके अंदर आप spaghetti भी पहन सकते हो. You can wear a bralette, you can wear bra, whatever you are more comfortable in because mesh is supposed to be like see-through thing. बट ये समर्स में इतने कम्फी होते हैं लाइक आई पर्सनली प्रेफर वेयरिंग लाइक अ ब्रालेट टॉप एंड उसके ऊपर ये डाल लो and you're sorted. You can go out anywhere. I love the prints of this one. It's like a very colorful top, like yellow and purple, and these flowers meet all over it. मटेरियल बहुत सॉफ्ट है इसका. कई बार मेश टॉप जो होते हैं वो थोड़े से ना बॉडी पे इची लगते हैं, बट ये बिल्कुल भी वैसा फील नहीं होता है. तो ये मटेरियल वाइज बहुत अच्छा है. सोल स्टोर का है तो आई नो फॉर अ फैक्ट मटेरियल अच्छा ही निकलना था. So this is the next item that I have and I love it. I definitely feel this is one item I'll wear a lot in my wardrobe this summer. So that is the next top that I have. This is how it looks on wearing. I love the fit. I've just paired it with a pair of shorts and I'm using normal bra hi rakhi hai, but you can wear like a tank top, a bralette, whatever you are more comfortable in. And I think mesh tops are also making a comeback. So this is like a perfect time to invest in it. So yeah, that's the next item that I got. Okay, coming to the last item of this haul, because as I said, it's a top haul, but I got like a crop shirt in this. So this is by Forever 21. Again, it was on sale. Originally, ये कुछ 1400 रुपए की थी, but I think I got it for like rupees 500 or 550 के around. And I love this. I love whites in summers and pure cotton है इसका material. It's also little stretchy. That is the best part. And थोड़ा boxy fit है. So it's not very fitted, which I like about this. You know, if you're just wearing like a trousers या फिर वाइड लेग जीन्स उसके साथ अगर आपको फिटेड शर्ट नहीं पहननी है, दिस इज समथिंग दैट यू कैन वेयर सो वेल. लाइक इट इज परफेक्ट फॉर योर ऑफिस वेयर ऑल्सो. अगर आप कॉलेज जाते हो देयर इज अ स्ट्रिक्ट ड्रेस कोड बिकॉज व्हेन आई वाज इन कॉलेज आई हैड अ स्ट्रिक्ट ड्रेस कोड. सो आई थिंक दिस इज जस्ट समथिंग दैट यू कैन वेयर really really easily. So this crop shirt by Forever 21, a very basic piece, but I feel that this basic is something that is like a must have in your wardrobe essentials. So this is how it looks on wearing. And although basic, it is so comfy and so nice and literally a must have. Plus material बहुत अच्छा है. It's like 99% cotton, 1% polyester, so जिसकी वजह से थोड़ा stretchy है, but super comfy on wearing. I think I went ahead with size small with everything that I've shown you guys. So if you're my body type, you can go ahead with size small. But I love this item. So like comfy and everyday clear, literally just perfect. So yeah, that's the last item that I got. So yeah, guys, these were all the tops that I got recently from Amazon from the sale, and I love all of them. My favorite still remains this brown mocha russet top and also the white shirt. I feel that is so versatile. But आप कमेंट्स में मुझे ज़रूर से बताना कि आपका फेवरेट आइटम कौन सा था. मैंने जितने भी आइटम्स आज आपको दिखाए हैं मैं सब कुछ डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मेंशन कर दूंगी, कमेंट्स में भी पिन कर दूंगी, तो आप चेक कर लेना. And that was pretty much it for today's haul. I'm gonna see you guys super super soon with another video. Until then, bye guys, take care.